Hi everyone, till now we have made this application. I have introduced one more update button. If I click on this, one dialog gets opened and it has already pre-filled the data of the event. So I have opened this singing event, it is showing the singing event data. If I open the Aramb event, then it will get loaded with the details of that particular event. And we have one state, that is event details state. This state contains all this value of this form. So let's open the console. If we open the update form and change any of the value, so let's change the time event to 6:30 p.m. and click on the submit button. So now we get the new object with the updated time value. So we will update this particular object into our database. So let's write the update functionality. So when we click on the submit button, this update events method get triggered. So if we want to update any of our document, then first we have to fetch the document from the database. So let's do that. Const docref. The same thing we have done in our previous video for delete event functionality. So let's call the method doc. The first parameter is the database reference, that is DB, that we have already imported from our Firebase file. The second parameter, it expects the database name, the collection name, that in our case events. And the third parameter will be the ID. So the event details object contain all the information. So we will pass event details dot ID. And for updating the document, we have one method, that is update doc. This method expects two parameters. First one is document reference and the second parameter is an object. So we have to pass the new values. So let's copy the values from the state and paste these values here. Now let's update the details. So event details object contains all the details. So we'll pass event details dot name, event details dot place, event details dot address, and event details dot time. This update doc method returns us a promise. So let's handle that. Put the then method. We don't get anything in the then method, so we will only print the console right now. We will print the message successful, and if we got any error, then we will catch it. console.log error. Now let's move to the UI to test this. Click on the update button. I will change the name of the event as concert and change the location as Mumbai. Let's click on the submit button. We got the successful message on the console. That means our document has been updated, and if we check on the UI, our event card has also been updated. So this is how you can update the document in the database and in your local. If you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section, and if you like the content, hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.